HUAWEI Malaysia has sent us a mystery care pack to use during the MCO, and now I'll be unboxing it. This is probably the biggest tech box that I ever unboxed. Let's slide it open. Okay, this is the new HUAWEI M Pencil, so I guess this is the HUAWEI MatePad Pro tablet bundle. This is the HUAWEI Smart Magnetic Keyboard. And finally, the highlight of the unboxing, the HUAWEI MatePad Pro. A more detailed unboxings and first look videos will be coming up very soon. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon and you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, I'm Joshua Wong, see you guys soon.